Ever wondered how you can earn money online without starting a full-blown business? Curious about how some people make a living just by recommending products? Welcome to this free course in affiliate marketing. Today, we'll discover how you can monetize your recommendations and tap into a lucrative business model without the complexities of traditional entrepreneurship. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic and versatile digital marketing strategy that revolves around promoting products or services and earning a commission in return. But how does it work in detail? Let's break it down. At its core, affiliate marketing is about promoting a product or service. As an affiliate, you'll be given a unique link known as an affiliate link. This link tracks any sales or actions made through it. When someone makes a purchase or takes a specific action using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Think of it as a reward for directing a customer to a company. Social media platforms have become hotspots for affiliate marketing. For instance, influencers on TikTok or Instagram might share an outfit they love. When their followers buy that outfit using the shared link, the influencer earns a commission. It's not just limited to outfits. From tech gadgets to online courses, almost any product can be promoted through affiliate marketing, provided there is an affiliate program for it. Different affiliate programs have different reward structures. While the most common is a commission based on sales, there are other models too. Some programs reward you for generating leads. This could be someone signing up for a newsletter or registering on a website. Software companies or online services also might offer commissions for every user who signs up for a free trial through your link. In some cases, simply generating traffic is enough. Certain programs will pay for every click your affiliate link receives, regardless of whether the click results in a sale. In essence, affiliate marketing offers a win-win situation. Companies get more sales or actions, and affiliates get rewarded for their promotional efforts. Whether you're an influencer, blogger, or just someone with a knack for marketing, affiliate marketing offers a pathway to monetize your skills and audience. Let's see how we can make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a multifaceted domain, offering various avenues to earn money. Depending on the program you join and the products or services you promote, your earning model can differ. Let's look deeper into the primary ways you can monetize your efforts in affiliate marketing. Pay per sale or PPS. This is the most traditional form of affiliate marketing. In this model, you earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. If you promote a pair of sneakers on your blog and a reader clicks on your link and buys them, you'll earn a percentage of that sale. Commissions can be substantial, especially for high-ticket items. Some programs offer up to 50% or more of the product's price as commission. Pay per action or PPA. Instead of a sale, you're rewarded when someone takes a specific action linked to your affiliate promotion. This action can vary from signing up for a newsletter, registering on a website, or filling out a contact form. If you promote an online course platform that rewards affiliates for every user who signs up for a free trial, you'll earn a commission for each sign-up, even if they don't make a purchase. Since actions like signups can be easier to achieve than sales, there might be more frequent earnings, but often smaller per action. Pay per install or PPI. This model is prevalent in the software and app industry. You earn a commission for every software or app installation that occurs through your affiliate link. If you promote a mobile game on your YouTube channel and your viewers download it via your link, you'll earn a set amount for each install. Given the digital nature of apps and software, there's no physical product to ship, making the process streamlined. Plus, many apps are free to install, making it an easier sell to potential users. Pay-per-click or PPC. Unlike other models where a specific outcome, like a sale or action, is required, PPC rewards you simply for driving traffic. You earn every time someone clicks on your affiliate link, regardless of what they do afterward. If you have a banner ad on your website with an affiliate link, each time someone clicks on it, you'll earn a commission, even if they don't make a purchase or take any further action. It's a straightforward model. The goal is to get as many clicks as possible, making it suitable for platforms with high traffic. The method you choose largely depends on your audience, platform, and the products or services you're promoting. By understanding each model's nuances, you can tailor your affiliate marketing strategy to maximize your earnings effectively. In the vast world of affiliate marketing, there are various product types you can promote, each with its unique appeal and potential for earnings. Let's dive into a couple of them. First up, we have niche products. They are products that cater to a specific category or audience. Think about fashion enthusiasts, tech geeks, or even coffee lovers. By focusing on a niche, you can tailor your content and promotions to a targeted group of people. For instance, if you're passionate about fashion, you can promote trendy outfits, accessories, or even footwear. The key here is precision. The more targeted you are, the more you resonate with a particular audience, making them more likely to trust your recommendations and make a purchase. On the other hand, there's digital content. In today's digital age, there's a massive market for online products and services. This could range from ebooks, online courses, software, to even music or art. The beauty of promoting digital products is the convenience. There's no physical inventory to worry about, no shipping hassles, and often, the commission rates are pretty attractive. For example, if you're a tech enthusiast, you might promote a particular software or app. Or if you're into personal development, you might recommend an impactful e-course or ebook. The possibilities are endless. In essence, whether you're leaning towards niche products or digital content, the key is to choose something you're genuinely passionate about. Your authenticity will shine through, making your audience more likely to trust and engage with your recommendations. Let's learn how to set up your affiliate marketing platform. First and foremost, you'll want to choose a platform to kickstart your affiliate journey. There are several out there, but some of the most renowned ones include ClickBank, Amazon Affiliates, and Flex Offers. Each of these platforms cater to a diverse range of products and services, so you'll want to pick one that aligns best with your niche or audience. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need an efficient way to share multiple affiliate links. This is where tools like Linktrees or Beacons come into play. Instead of overwhelming your audience with numerous links, these tools allow you to consolidate them into one main link. It's like having a mini website where all your recommended products or services are listed neatly. Next, it's time to set up your profile in your chosen affiliate platform. Think of this as your professional storefront. It's where potential customers will get to know you and the products you endorse. Make sure your profile is complete, professional, and resonates with your brand or persona. Adding products is the next step. Depending on the platform, you might select products from a catalog, or you might manually add links from products you want to promote. Remember, it's crucial to choose products that you genuinely believe in or have tried yourself. Authenticity goes a long way in affiliate marketing. Lastly, when everything is set up, start sharing your links. Whether it's through social media, a blog, or even word of mouth, get the word out. The more visibility your link gets, the higher the chances of earning commissions. Now let's talk about the Amazon Influencer Program. If you've ever scrolled through Amazon and thought, I could definitely recommend some of these products to my followers, then the Amazon Influencer Program might be your golden ticket. This program is designed specifically for social media influencers, bloggers, and content creators who want to monetize their recommendations. To get started, you'll first need to sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program. It's a simple process where Amazon evaluates your social media presence to determine your eligibility. Once approved, you've given the tools to create your very own storefront. Think of it as your personalized Amazon page, where you can showcase and recommend products that resonate with your audience. But here's where it gets more interesting. Amazon provides a feature called Idea Lists. These are curated lists that you can create around specific themes or categories. For instance, if you're into fitness, you might have an at-home work essentials list. If you're a tech enthusiast, perhaps a top gadgets of 2023 list. These idea lists not only help organize your recommendations, but also make it easier for your followers to shop your suggestions. So let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Affiliate marketing, especially through platforms like Amazon, offers a fantastic opportunity to earn without pouring in a massive initial investment. But remember, the key to success in this space is authenticity. Your followers trust you, so always be genuine in your promotions. Recommend products you truly believe in and have perhaps tried yourself. Engagement is another crucial aspect. Interact with your audience, understand their needs, and provide value through your recommendations. If you're sharing this journey on platforms like YouTube or a blog, always encourage your audience to like, subscribe, and explore more of your content. So if you haven't already, please hit the like button, it truly helps out. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. We've got a treasure trove of guides, tips, and courses waiting for you. And hey, drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you might have. We're here to help and engage with our community.